welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in my living room, so guess what I'm doing? A haul. Yep, y'all seem to love my haul of me trying on Kylie Jenner's Fashion Nova outfits, so I wanted to do another haul. It's not the same. I'm not doing no Kylie Jenner outfits or anything from Fashion Nova today. Today we is doing this one fancy store called Target. So I went shopping at Target, and you know, a lot of people don't shop at Target much anymore, but back in the day, I used to shop at Target all the time because Target is like one of the very few mini stores I had growing up in my little itty bitty town. And people be sleeping on Target, honestly. They got some cute stuff. So today I'm gonna do a haul, like kind of like a fall Target haul, seeing what kind of pickups I picked up at Target. And all of this clothes was under $200. And I believe it's like 6 outfits. We'll see, but 6 outfits for under 200, it was like 180 something or something like that. Like, that's insane. You can't be finding that anywhere, really. Let me go ahead and get started, and you guys tell me if I copped some Target wins or if I failed. So let's find out. What to start on, let's see. Okay, so first outfit, I got this itty bitty little mini skirt. It's a little plaid one. This was $20. Cha-ching! I got this little denim jacket. This was $32. It's cropped too. And then I have this little tanky top for underneath. This was $3. So let me try it on real quick and y'all tell me if it's cute or not. Okay, so here is outfit number 1. I'm putting everything on with like shoes that I would wear in the fall a lot. And these shoes I wear all the time in the fall. So I'm gonna wear these with every outfit because I think it just goes. I think it's pretty cute. You have to be into these kind of skirts to like this though, because some people are not into them. Me, personally, I don't know if it'd be something that I just want to pick up and wear every single day. Like if I see it, like, oh no, but I saw it, I'm like, it's cute. Like it's actually a really cute fall outfit. So kind of like schoolgirl, but cute. Schoolgirl, but hot. You know, yeah, I have the tags on still. I'm not returning them, by the way. I don't know, the denim jacket and the boots together with the skirt, it just makes it a look. So it's like, yeah. This side's shorter and this side's longer. So it's like, I'm the innocent schoolgirl. I'm not, you know? I like this side. Don't tell my mom. No, I'm just kidding. Up next is going to be, I'm gonna do some pants. I'm gonna do pants, yeah. So next up, I got these cute mom jeans. These say they're high-rise skater jeans, but look how cute they are. And they're kind of like flared at the ends and they're cut off. Oh, I love these kind of pants. These are $24. I didn't try them on, so I hope this size 2 fits because I wear 3. So I don't know if they're gonna fit, but they look like they were made big. So I guess we'll find out in like 5 seconds. And with these pants, I have this little crop top, tank top, and I really like these because it has freaking padding in it already. So you don't need to wear a bra if you don't wanna. But this was $12. $12. Cha-chang. Now let me put this on and let's see if it's cute. Okay, so here is the second outfit. It's so cute, these pants. Flary pants are so nice with like little booty heels and they're like cropped. Oh yes, so cute top, cute pants. The twos fit thick, the Lord. I'm glad I can actually tell my sizes from looking at it. That's a good thing to learn. So if you don't know that, you should learn it. Oops, still got the tag on. I ain't returning the stuff. Yeah, I like this. And then like out here in LA, it's hot a lot. But if it gets a little chilly at night, all you gotta do, throw on your little denim jacket. You don't even gotta put it on all the way. Well, that was a struggle. There we go. Throw on your little denim jacket like so. And blam. Bang bang. I like it like that. Anyway, okay, next up, let's see. I'm gonna go to a skirt now. Okay, so next up, I found this cute little brown skirt. This is $20, zazams. And then I got a little cute little tank top, just a white one. Because I feel like, I don't know, I just wanted the white tank top. Yeah, anyway, let me put this on. And voila, just go ahead and tuck in your shirt a little bit. And bam, cute AF. Oh, y'all saw that, didn't y'all? I forgot that beanbag was there. Anyway, this is the next outfit. Very cute, very cash, but very cute and very, yeah. And again, if it's a little chilly, all you need is a little and a little black jacket. And there we go. Yeah, the color of the skirt's actually really nice. I like it. It's very fall. This whole outfit is fall. It's just like, yeah, give me photos, outfits of the day. Hey. Oh, I just pulled a muscle. Zing. Okay, next outfit is going to be these pants. So I found these pants and thought they were so cute. They're just kind of made out of material like cargo pants are made out of, but they're kind of grayish, and they got this little belt. These ones were $24.99, and I'm pairing it with this little black t-shirt. Bam, just a plain one. The arms are cuffed. I like that. I had to wear this shirt the other day. I needed a black shirt, and I mean, I already bought it. Anyway, this shirt was $8. Yeah, $8. Now let's put it on. There we go. I'm in it. I'm here to win it. Okay, so this is the next outfit. It's very cute. I like the shirt tucked in. It looks like professional. Cute. The pants I actually got an extra small in because they're supposed to be baggy, but I hate when pants are too baggy, so extra smalls are perfect for me in that category. And they're like, pants that are like capri and high water are my favorite, especially with these kind of shoes. If you don't got these shoes, let me tell you, you need one pair of boot heels. Yes, Steve Madden, that's what they're from. They're not from Target, sorry, but they go with everything. I love the deep pockets. I just want to walk around and be like, what? Pocket who? Pocket to where? Everywhere. Okay. Next outfit. Oh, actually, this is the last outfit. Okay, last outfit is a skirt. I got this pleather, like maroon skirt. These are very in right now, especially for the fall. Oh, you need one. This was $20. Got an extra small, and I'm actually gonna pair with like a similar t-shirt, a little different. This is a little crop top. It's like a grayish green color, $8, extra small. Yeah, let me put it on. See how cute I look. God, I'm annoyed. Okay, so here's the final outfit. This thing is so cute. What? Who, me? Pleather skirt? Oh. So these skirts are super cute and they're definitely in this year. I think skirts, all kind of skirts are in right now. I'm out of breath. What did I do? These colors just like go very well together, and like you see I'm not even wearing black, but the black boots still look good. That's the good thing about these boots. Like, they always look good, no matter what. There's a little zipper. It's got a little circle zipper. I think that's cute. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And then, if you get a little chilly, you know what to do. Bam, 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 bam. Ooh, I can move with this. You would think you can't move, but you can. So that's great. Wow. Okay, so that was my 5 outfits I got from Target fall, all for under $200. Yeah, so you've been sleeping on Target? So this just answered the question, if you've been sleeping on Target. Y'all let me know in the comments below if you liked the outfits that I found at Target. If you about to go take a trip to Target and spend all your own monies. Because who doesn't go to Target for one thing and leaves with the whole cart stuff? Nobody, exactly. Ah, the zipper got stuck on my stomach. Excuse you, Target. That was inappropriate. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see me do one with Walmart maybe, or even, do they have clothes at the dollar store? Let me know in the comments any other ideas you got, because these hauls are fun and it gives me a reason to go spend money and buy clothes. I love buying clothes. I'm gonna need a new closet. But thank you again for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. And I will see you guys on the next upload. Bye!